In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Sendwave. Let's get started by opening the Sendwave app on your phone. If you haven't used it in a while, it helps to update to the latest version and make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. On the home screen, you'll see your recent activity and options to begin a new transfer. Begin by choosing the country you want to send to. This matters because delivery options, fees, and exchange rates can vary by destination. When you select a country, Sendwave will show you the current rate and an estimate of any fees right on the screen, so you know exactly what your recipient should receive. Now add your recipient or pick an existing one. If you're adding someone new, enter their full name exactly as it appears on their ID or bank account, and select the right delivery method available for that country, such as bank deposit, mobile money, or cash pickup. For mobile wallets, include the correct number with the country code. For bank deposits, double-check the account or IBAN details. Taking an extra moment here avoids delays later. Enter the amount you want to send. You can usually switch between typing the amount in your currency or the recipient's currency. As you type, pay attention to the live exchange rate, any applicable fee, and the total you'll be charged. If you see a limit notice, adjust the amount slightly or verify your account later to unlock higher limits. Choose how you want to pay. Most people use a debit card, bank account, or a mobile wallet option supported in your region. Make sure the billing details match your card and that you have enough funds available. Some cards may require an extra security step, such as a one-time code or biometric confirmation. Before you send, review everything. Confirm the recipient's name and delivery method, the amount they will receive, the exchange rate, fees, and the total you'll pay. You'll also see an estimated delivery time. If everything looks good, tap to confirm and authorize the payment using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Finally, wait for the confirmation screen. You'll get a receipt and a reference number, and your recipient may receive an SMS or app notification. You can track the transfer's status from the home screen. If anything looks pending longer than expected, ensure your payment cleared and the recipient details are correct. That's it. Your money is on the way.